What do you want? Okay, Medmonics followers, I'm the gram-negative granny. Can't you see I'm busy? I can have a round bacteria like grapes under the microscope, or I can have rods. Yes, like a fishing rod. Clearly the grapes are going to represent Neisseria species, or Moraxella catarrhalis. But the fishing rods, also known as bacilli, represent E.coli, salmonella, shigella, klebsiella, enterobacter, and proteus species, but also pseudomonas, aeruginosa, vibrio, and helicobacter, to name a few. Okay, I'll show you in another image later since you can't remember a thing. My cloak is pink because why? It's because my bacteria don't retain the crystal violet dye during gram staining. I have endotoxins, exotoxins, and capsules. Just wait until I show you all of it. The most amazing feature I have is that I produce beta-lactamase. That stops beta-lactam penicillins. That's why you can't get better when you're on them. I am the gram-negative granny. I make microbes memorable, and I will come back and spell it out to you, so don't you forget about me. Like this video now, subscribe to all the Medmonics socials, and share me with your colleagues who will benefit from our reminders, especially since you need to see the whole story of gram-negative bacteria play out. I'll see you again soon. Keep up, will you?